Hi there and welcome to Crewe Audi. Today I'm going to take you around this brand new Audi Q3 Sports finished in Mythos black. Firstly, we've got the LED headlights with the daytime running LEDs and the 18-inch multi-spoke design alloy wheels, the chrome surrounds around the windows and the chrome roof rails, LED backlights with the dynamic rear indicators, power operated tailgate and the rear parking sensors. Now this is a brand new Audi vehicle, so you will get 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance from the manufacturer. Now moving to the front of the vehicle. Inside, we've got the electrically adjustable heated exterior mirrors, electric windows in the front and the rear, with the silver inlays, automatic headlights and wipers, and the multifunctional leather steering wheel, with cruise control, Audi's digital dash, touchscreen MMI over here with navigation and DAB digital radio, climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox, and the full cloth interior. So if you would like any more information on this Audi Q3, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 864 091. Thank you for watching.